Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first unboxing of my new Gibson. I don't know what's in there yet.
Oh, lovely. She's a beauty, John.
Beauty.
Are you happy?
So far.
So far, right?
Oh, this is a custom color.
Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Woohoo! Oh, baby, it's gorgeous.
She's a beauty. This is a custom color guitar. Now, you can get them. You can get them for about 500 less if you go with the solid paint jobs, or some of the other translucent colors, which were blue and
Pink.
pink. Well, you know, I just couldn't do it. I had to have this custom color, and it cost a little more money, but it was worth it.
It's beautiful.
It's harder for the technician to produce when they do custom color.
That's right.
It's
It's
harder to
beautiful.
produce. Certificate that came with it. And the ES-335. She's a nice one, though. Uh-oh, what was that note? I was telling everybody that I was getting tired of these $100 guitars and these knockoff copies that were more like $700 or $800. I said I have to find a way, so I got this job painting. I had to paint a whole house, and I got what I wanted. You know, I took everything I made on the house because we already had something going on as far as I had the time to do it. And we're going to use this right here. We're going to do a couple of licks. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's what I'm talking about. I mean, it's a Fender Starcaster. It can be fun, but it ain't right. And here's an Epiphone. This is the Hummingbird Artist. Yeah, that's what it is. Inspired by Gibson, but not Gibson. Yeah, these drums do the trick, but they're not that great either. Anyway, she wails. I like this thing. Somehow I can't slow myself down sometimes when I get a hold of it, so it's picking a little fast. But you know, I got to do a upbeat song on this thing every now and again.
Yeah.
But you can also go jazz, blues, you can do everything. BB King play one of these, probably way better than this one. But then we got a bag of goodies that was in the case. We're gonna see, I think it's a strap. And you know, you don't want to handle and start playing any chords or notes yet until you strap that thing. Our inch 3/8. But the idea with these guitars is that you can play blues, you can play jazz, or you can rock out with them. And with me,
A little bit of everything, huh?
I'll be rocking out. Yeah, it's so new. It's creaking and
Wait.
stuff like that.
Okay, it's dust.
Now, the other thing we would do sometimes when we buy a new guitar is we would take these off and put custom knobs in their place. Anything that would complement the finish.
Well, that looks good, though.
These guitars made by Gibson are top of the line. They're just absolutely the best. Now, I've had lots of guitars in my life. Never actually owned a Gibson. I've had similar, like copies of Gibson.
Oh.
The Les Paul.
So this is a big day for you, huh?
This is a big day. I do not have to leave this world having never owned a Gibson.
Thank
And
the
I
Lord.
chose one that's not cheap. It's twice the amount of money as a Les Paul.
That's right.
But and the custom color added $500. But by getting it shipped directly from Gibson, that maybe saved.
Probably broke even if you would have went to the other
If
place.
you go to Guitar Center or somewhere like
Yeah,
that,
they might have charged you $4,800 or $5,000 for this.
you're gonna pay $1,000 more
Yeah.
than what I paid to get this. I'm pretty sure. I've been in there looking at their price.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Nugent plays the Ladybird. It's a lot better than this thing, but not much. You know, these are really, really nice. Adjust the knobs a little bit. You can get something going. I'm your Irish man, stop me when I'm dancing your band. I'm your Irish man, stop me when I'm dancing your band. Oh my baby, get me this is turn this camcorder off.